Visit us at Eduvvo. Thank you for calling Eduvvo.
Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, you will see how to select the record from our database using the select keyword. SQL select statement is used to fetch the data from a Sqlite database. You can also use select for fetch the record from tables or any of the data entry, which return the data in the form of our result tables. Means these tables are called result sets. Now we see how to select the records, means these records. Here I just create a class with select command and import java.sql. Here I just go to this one and connection. I just copy this connection here, and then after this connection I just go to the go to the statement, and statement which is equal to c dot create statement. Then result, which is rs, is equal to statement, and the statement here is, I just close this, and now I just write statement, and here statement dot execute, and execute is a query here. The query is select. You can also write the queries in the form of capital words, so select company. Okay, so I just select the company here, and here I just told you that it's our result set. Okay, here I just write public static void main and string arguments. Okay, now I just use while. So while rs means our variable for result set, which is next, and then here I just write integer id, which is equal to rs dot get integer, and integer here is id, and it's id. Okay, now I just close this code here and write string, and string is a name, which is equal to rs dot get string, and the get string is name, so it will get the name. Now integer age, which is equal to rs dot get integer, and it's a age here. Okay, now same code for address, so integer address, and here I just write address, and then float salary, which is equal to rs dot get float. Okay, and here I just passed salary. Okay, so we are taking some of the float values, the integers, and the strings. Now here I just write system.out.println, and the println here is id, and id which is equal to concatenation of id. We just get the id here. I just copy this for name, age, address, and salary. So this is for name, this is for address, and this is for salary. Sorry, this is for age and address, and then salary. This is name, age, address and salary, means our this variables. And then here I just write system dot out dot println. Okay, now I just use result set, and result set is closed here. So statement dot close, then c dot close. Now I just write catch, and catch is exception e, and then it's a system dot out dot println, and the println, sorry, not the println here, and here I just copy and paste this one. Okay, and for that I just write system dot out, so operation is done. Okay, now I just run this code. So as you can see here, we are fetching the record from select static from the company. So this is a select command here. Then we just creating the integers for selecting the ID, name, age, address, and salary from our this table. And as you can see here, open the database first, then select the record, and then use this operation is done. You can see here integer ID, which is Khan, and Fayyaz Khan and Fayyaz. So this is a simple example of selecting the record from a Sqlite database. Thanks for watching this lecture. See you in next lecture.
If you are looking for teaching stuff, education stuff, programming series, application, and Android development, coding skills, marketing skills, presentation skill, paid courses for free are available. Thank you for calling Eduvvo.